very well.
Exactly. We are going to give them water.
Time to start poisoning the Yoruba and the Benin. Put poison for all una food for work. Put poison for una water. Make una dey buy one by one. Una go buy one day. Una go sick. I go put ota pia for inside una water, inside una food. Una go see better. This guy hate when I get for una so. It go last forever. For all of una food. Ota pia. What do they call that one? What do they call that rat?
Ota pia.
Eat and die.
Sniper.
I go they put them for all una food.
Sniper.
All una food for if I go work tomorrow now, I go put them for Yoruba people food. Go tell government. Oh yeah, I dey Canada, I dey Ontario. Oh yeah, hurry up, hurry, fast. I go put otapia, I go put Ogbomosho, everything for inside una food. Una go dey hear small. Yoruba don't die yo. Bini don't peme yo. Una go dey hear am. Na me talk am and I go do am.
Udo Durano get it ma go on here na kuna South Africa platform.
We don't care about South Africa. We don't care.
Those boys they put. We don't care about them, but those boys where they wanted those assistants where they go there, but then they go there. Those boys, that guy where they call sir, who be sir? That guy resembles sir. That guy where they talk to.
I don't know why Igbos they go.
I'm even ashamed of some of our Igbo people.
I don't know why they go that platform. You guys need to grow that spirit of wickedness. Ndi Igbo.
They talk of South Africa, where white they buy there every day. They don't buy two eggs.
Give them water.
Time to start poisoning the Yoruba and the Benin. Put poison for all una food for work. Put poison for una water. Make una dey buy one by one. Una go buy one day. Una go sick. I go put ota pia for inside una water, inside una food. Una go see better. This guy hate when I get for una so. It go last forever. For all of una food. Otapia. Record me very well.
Exactly. We are going to give them water.
Time to start poisoning the Yoruba and the Benin. Put poison for all una food for work. Put poison for una water. Make una dey buy one by one. Una go buy one day. Una go sick. I go put otapia for inside una water, inside una food. Una go see better. This guy hate when I get for una so. It go last forever. For all of una food. Otapia. What do they call that one? What do they call that rat?
Otapia.
Eat and die.
Sniper.
I go they put them for all una food.
Sniper.
All una food for if I go work tomorrow now, I go put them for Yoruba people food. Go tell government. Oh yeah, I dey Canada, I dey Ontario. Oh yeah, hurry up, hurry, fast. I go put otapia, I go put Ogbomosho, everything for inside una food. Una go dey hear small. Yoruba don't die yo. Bini don't peme yo. Una go dey hear am. Na me talk am and I go do am.
Now, mo fẹ́ kí ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá tí ẹ bá really understand nǹkan tí ọmọbìnrin yìí sọ. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ò ní kàkún nọ́tàn tìgbà tó bá ṣẹlẹ̀. Ọmọbìnrin tẹ́ ń wò yìí ọ̀daràn ni o. Orí TikTok ló ti ń sọ gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń sọ yẹn. Ó dẹ̀ sọ pé òun wà ní Canada náà Ontario bóyá òun parọ́ ni àbí kò parọ́. Ẹ máa rí fídíò ẹ̀ dẹ̀ máa rí picture ẹ̀. Every one of you ẹ ní láti share kínní tó bá share wàhálà àti ti ẹni o. Because ó lè padà jẹ́ pé ó máa kan ẹbí ẹ̀, ó máa kan family ẹ̀. Ìdí táwọn ò ṣe lè dákẹ́ ó ní wípé information tí lady rọra sọ lórí TikTok yìí kò mọ̀ pé ó lè lead òun sí ẹ̀wọ̀n. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni information tó rọra sọ lórí TikTok yìí kò mọ̀ pé ó lè lead òun sí ẹ̀wọ̀n, and she stay in Canada. She says she will poison all Yoruba and Benin. Ó ló máa fún wa ní gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá ń bá rú lady ẹ máa rí picture tẹ́ bá ń bá wọn ṣiṣẹ́ tẹ́ wà ní Canada tẹ́ ẹ bá tètè ṣí àkíní débi pé ìjọba máa rí ó ti fẹnu kó jábì ní o dẹ̀ lè escape ẹ̀. Definitely ó ti ń ṣe any Nigeria Yorùbá àbí Benin tó bá ń bá lady yìí ṣiṣẹ́ ẹ ti wà ń trouble o. It's either you like it or not, máa post kìíní irú nǹkan táwa máa ń fèrè àwa náà dẹ̀ máa make sure parí àwọn authority tí wọ́n máa gbà láti America tó máa dé Canada nítorí pé woman yìí ó mean business ó sọ kò dẹ̀ sọ nítorí lérè ó sọ out of annoyance ó tún sọ tó ń tẹnu mọ́ ó ń fi ìbínú yẹn sọ pé ó máa poison Yorùbá àti Benin tó bá wá ń sọ fún yín ẹ̀yin ọmọ Benin ẹ máa bá Yorùbá jà ṣẹ́rí pé ó rí ẹlòmíì inú yóò pé àwọn ọmọ Igbo mo ti sọ tipẹ́tipẹ́ àwọn tó máa ń support Igbo ṣe ti gbọ́ orí platform tó ti máa ṣèkà fún Yorùbá ó tún sọ pé tóun bá dé ibi iṣẹ́ lálẹ́ yìí ó máa poison ọmọ Yorùbá tó wà ń bẹ díẹ̀díẹ̀ wọn ò ní kú bọ̀ kíní yẹn máa sodo ó dẹ̀ máa di àrùn ẹ jẹ́ aṣọ́ra o ẹ wo fídíò yẹn.
Very, very well.
Exactly. We are going to give them water.
Time to start poisoning the Yoruba and the Benin. Put poison for all una food for work. Put poison for una water. Make una dey buy one by one. Una go buy one day. Una go sick. I go put ota pia for inside una water, inside una food. Una no go see better. This guy hate when I get for una so. It go last forever. For all of una food. Ota pia. What do they call that one? What do they call that rat?
Ota pia na.
Eat and die.
Sniper.
I go dey put them for all una food.
Sniper.
All una food for if I go work tomorrow now I go put them for Yoruba people food. Go tell government. Oh yeah, I dey Canada, I dey Ontario. Oh yeah, hurry up. Hurry, fast. I go put otapia, I go put Ogbomosho, everything for inside una food. Una go dey hear small. Yoruba don die yo. Benin don peme o. Una go dey hear am. Na me talk am and I go do am.
Umunne udo jiranu gani timagwa ni ha na-ekwu na South Africa platform.
We don't care about South Africa. We don't care.
Those boys they cool. We don't care about them, but those boys where they wanted those assistants where they go there, but then they go there. Those boys, that guy where they call sir, who be sir? That guy resembles sir. That guy where they talk to.
I don't know why Igbos they go.
I'm even ashamed of some of our Igbo people.
I don't know why they go that platform. You guys need to grow that spirit of wickedness. Ndị Igbo.
They talk of South Africa where white they buy there every day. They don't buy two eggs.
Give them water.
Time to start poisoning the Yoruba and the Benin. Put poison for all una food for work. Put poison for una water. Make una dey buy one by one. Una go buy one day. Una go sick. I go put ota pia for inside una water, inside una food. Una no go see better. This guy hate when I get for una so. It go last forever. For all of una food. Otapia. Record me very, very well.
Exactly. We are going to give them water.
Time to start poisoning the Yoruba and the Benin. Put poison for all una food for work. Put poison for una water. Make una dey buy one by one. Una go buy one day. Una go sick. I go put otapia for inside una water, inside una food. Una no go see better. This guy hate when I get for una so. It go last forever. For all of una food. Otapia. What do they call that one? What do they call that rat?
Otapia na.
Eat and die.
Sniper.
I go dey put them for all una food.
Sniper.
All una food for if I go work tomorrow now I go put them for Yoruba people food. Go tell government. Oh yeah, I dey Canada, I dey Ontario. Oh yeah, hurry up. Hurry, fast. I go put otapia, I go put Ogbomosho, everything for inside una food. Una go dey hear small. Yoruba don die yo. Benin don peme o. Una go dey hear am. Na me talk am and I go do am. Very, very well.
Exactly. We are going to give them water.
Time to start poisoning the Yoruba and the Benin. Put poison for all una food for work. Put poison for una water. Make una dey buy one by one. Una go buy one day. Una go sick. I go put otapia for inside una water, inside una food. Una no go see better. This guy hate when I get for una so. It go last forever. for all of una food. Ota pia pia. What do they call that one? What do they call that rat?
Ota pia pia na.
Eat and die. Eat and die. Eat and die.
Sniper.
I go they put them for all una food.
Sniper.
All una food for if I go work tomorrow now I go put them for Yoruba people food. Go tell government. Oh yeah, I dey Canada, I dey Ontario. Oh yeah, hurry up, hurry, fast. I go put otapia, I go put ogbomosho, everything for inside una food. Una go dey hear small. Yoruba don die yo. Bini don peme yo. Una go dey hear am. Na me talk am. Na me talk am and I go do am.
Umunne udo jira get it ma go on ihe a na-ekwu na South Africa platform.
We don't care. We don't care about South Africa. We don't care.
Yeah. Those boys they cool. We don't care about them, but those boys where they wanted those our sisters where they go there, but then they go there. Those boys, that guy where they call sir, who be sir? That guy resembles sir. That guy where they talk to.
I don't know why Igbos they go.
I'm even ashamed of some of our Igbo people.
I don't know why they go that platform. You guys need to grow that spirit of wickedness.
They talk of South Africa where white they buy there every day. They don't buy two eggs.
Give them water.
Time to start poisoning the Yoruba and the Benin. Put poison for all una food for work. Put poison for una water. Make una dey buy one by one. Una go buy one day. Una go sick. I go put ota pia for inside una water, inside una food. Una go see better. This guy hate when I get for una so. It go last forever. For all of una food. Otapia. Record me very well. Record
exactly.
me.
We are going to give them water.
Time to start poisoning the Yoruba and the Benin. Put poison for all una food for work. Put poison for una water. Make una dey buy one by one. Una go buy one day. Una go sick. I go put otapia for inside una water, inside una food. Una go see better. This guy hate when I get for una so. It go last forever. For all of una food. Otapia. What do they call that one? What do they call that rat?
Otapia na.
Eat and die.
Sniper.
I go they put them for all una food.
Sniper.
All una food for if I go work tomorrow now I go put them for Yoruba people food. Go tell government. Oh yeah, I dey Canada, I dey Ontario. Oh yeah, hurry up, hurry, fast. I go put otapia, I go put ogbomosho, everything for inside una food. Una go dey hear small. Yoruba don die yo. Bini don peme yo. Una go dey hear am. Na me talk am and I go do am.